Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here to highlight a little bit of our fleet work. I wanted to lay these all out so you could see. We've got a 7-truck package here for Jude Law Construction. These trucks were dropped off on Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon we got to work. We've got Line-X bed liners in all the trucks. We've got a 6-pack of our LED HAW duos in all the trucks, as well as full graphics packages on all of these trucks. What I can do here is I'm going to try to pan out and zoom in a little bit, show y'all a little bit of these trucks here. Let's see if I can get the camera to work for me here. There we go. We'll slowly pan across. You can see he's got the LED HAW duos in white in the headlight high beam portion, as you can see. In the rear, we've got the LED HAW duos in white in the reverse, as well as the LED HAW duos in amber in the third brake light. All these trucks got a standard 6-pack install, I like to call it, and a full graphics package. All that graphics on these trucks, truck numbers, door badges, tailgate badges, all done here at Wicked Warnings. And we have all of these trucks completed in 4 days. So if you have a fleet such as this, and you're tired of the downtime and the long waits at other shops, give us a call. We had these trucks dropped off on Tuesday, and by Friday afternoon, all 7 completed, vinyled, lit with strobes, and bedlined, ready to get picked up. Once again, George at Wicked Warnings, thank you very much for watching, and I hope this is a clear example that yes, we can handle your fleet of any size. We can take care of it in a professional, timely fashion, save your company downtime, and get your trucks back on the road where they belong. If you work with a fleet vehicle provider such as Enterprise or others, give us a call. Chances are we already have a relationship with them, and they can deliver the vehicles directly to us, and we will outfit them and deliver them back to you completed. That's how this setup was. We were delivered these vehicles by a local Dodge dealer, and now Jude Law's employees can come pick up their completed trucks, bedlined, fully lit, and ready with vinyl graphics to go to work. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Stop by our shop anytime, right here in Naperville at 25111 Ram Road, unit number 10. Take a look out for the banner if the door is open, or there's a giant W on the door. You can't miss our unit, unit number 10. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, all your social medias, Instagram, etc. Give us a shout.